angikwazi ukuzithola on some certain spaces anymore yangithola. I mean gibela itaxi sokuyisikele no yangithola.
Nala mantombazana la unobiza lapha yo lesinto abazikhulume bezenza labantwana niyabakhuza kodwa labantwana laba. I'm like
don't concern.
Like yo
Mara ukuthanda abantu it's something else impethu yabo, but sothini impethu it's I feel like even on social media ngithola the reception has changed ngithola.
Yeah.
Awaseko akhona feel still negative comments and whatnot.
Yeah.
But then awaseko that much.
ngalesikhathi ngibiza you were trending and like there were all negative comments
Yeah.
most of them.
By then.
But
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
but you chose to come to a public platform knowing ukuthi people like
They will come for you.
they will come for you at some point.
Extra savings.
Yes, ufuna ukuthenga nange extra save njalo.
Washibamdokotela athi indoda extra savings ayithatha serious. Yo mama leyo.
Do you feel like you're special, bro? Like if like you look at your life and see ukuthi yeah man, if like you look at your journey.
So stupid ukuthi uyenza ama 6 tape mawuheva nogelo wakho.
Yeah.
Because uyayazi into oyenzayo ufuna ukuyenzana ufuna ukuyibukela futhi masuyi1 uzoza abantu baphukile wonke abantu ngisho nentombazana ezalwayo namhlanje iphukile already seyila emhlabeni iphukile enhlizweni abantu abaphukile labantu abaphukile.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode. Yeah, and it's a new show. It's a new show.
You from the boys. Pumla.
Welcome to the reality show. Yes. And our first guest of the show, we have the one and only, the well-known Gravestone.
Yeah, Shafede, Gravestone ngayi mafavuke izinja zase 1632 izinja emphakathini. Yeah, sure. Come by.
I'm so excited to have you on the show, Gravestone. It's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been a minute, and I'm also like excited. And since the last time I was here, man, I have to say, man, your show, dog, it put me on a lot of things, Angitwala.
You say so?
Yeah, man, like it put me on a lot of things, Angitwala, and I just have to tell you, I appreciate it, Njami.
Okay, before we dwell into it, because I have questions based on that, but I just want to introduce the co-host of the show. We have Xolani
Mfana omnyama olandelwa indlela zokukhanya.
Ulandelwa indlela zobumnyama.
Ezokukhanya. Indlela zokukhanya zingakimi. Akekho omunye umfana omnyama.
Shutha akekho.
Akekho 1.0 akekho 2.0 ayikho 1.2 1.0 alikho le. Oyozibiza ngomfana omnyama ulandelwa indlela zokukhanya melaze la ku reality show azochaza ukuthi nosithatha lezo yiboko.
Yeah, and by the way, sinosihle lapha ku backstage Dr. Gravestone. So ungamangali nje naye uzobabuza there and
yeah akunaflop.
Yeah, uyazi Dr. Gravestone uthi
go ahead.
Yeah, he knows how we operate. Yeah.
Awubamba la inomhlophe.
Kanjalo.
line umhlobo line oqondile.
Yeah, Dr. Gravestone. Well, I'm happy, man, you know, to hear Ushugu to know the show helped you in a way.
Sure.
Yeah, but let's first start there. Like, cause now I'm actually at the time whereby trended radio. Which radio was that at the
Alex
time?
FM. Sure.
Yeah, and like, you were making like, you made massive views.
Yeah.
You being there, young tall.
Sure.
Yeah. So abantu nje nami nje and futhi into engichazayo azange wachoma like mangilanda. So because all trend at the time you could have just said no and stuff, you know. Yeah, because I was the first guy actually to get hold of you.
You were actually.
Yeah, I'm taller fast, and then from there I saw you like going on my podcast in and out and all. So yeah, and the food awungitshela uthi
sure.
Na into abantu abangayi understand. Lento yokuthi now they see a guest, ikule podcast. Then the guest sekule podcast. The guest sekule podcast.
Sure.
Kahle, what is it as someone like on my podcast? What is it that that you would say like you are gaining from that, like to look from this podcast to that podcast, from this podcast?
Sure.
Because I'm like, like you know, a lot of people tend to judge and say, DJ Mama podcast, why, and it doesn't make sense why, because like we have a podcast, somebody interview yaduma, yaba popular, and people bamazi, then like asek isdingo sokuthi like uhambe podcast omunye uzocabanga kanjalo. I'm not saying kunjalo, you see, but omunye uzocabanga kanjalo. So and according to yini mhlambe if like you were to stand for people like njengomuntu ohamba ama podcast, you see, cause nomunye unotha unotha naye omunye naye uhleza phansi phezulu
nama podcast no Prince Mashele yazi.
No Prince Mashele unotha mfethu ngitshela ukuthi manje seka stopini yabona before he joined the podcast with Make G. The guy was everywhere.
Yeah, he was.
The guy was like he was always like in podcast. So you see, even if Nama would have tried to reach out to him at the time, because like Vele, that's what he loves. Like he's been
abanye abantu I think bayayithanda leyo nto leyo. Hayi ukuthi mhlambi bayenziswa ukuthi basafuna mhlambi fame ngakubo yonke. Mhlambe enye uyibona ukuthi hayi mhlambe uze ngapha kuMepho Media ayihambi awuthi nyozama ngale ngoba lo muntu uyaziwa aye khona ngale vele lo muntu unama viewers amaningi mhlambe bazoyibuka adume mhlambe ngale because angithi abanye abantu banalento ukuthi inhlanhla uyazi ukuthi ingakuphi moze ngapha kungabheda uye ngale kuvuleka iminyango so yikho mangihamba bengena
But mainly for me nabo mina ngizokhulumela nina angeke ngiringele abonotha no one band. But for me it's mainly putting me out there ngithwala. I treat myself as a brand and really like I need to like speak my mind. I'm one person that likes speaking his mind ngithwala. Kusima umuntu should manje who like shies away from conversations ngithwala. So mabangibiza on another podcast akusukuthi manje you know, or anything like that. No, it's just me sharing a piece of my mind. Like more, because sometimes kunento ngesikhathi sethu sinaso angeke sikhave yonke into ngithwala exactly. So sometimes kuba ukuthi ngiyakonye podcast just to cover some topics. Last time I was here ngisho ukuthi cover a topic whereby I was telling you guys about my upbringing, exactly. So on another one, I went. Unomunye sister abambiza usihle yabo. She's on Mocha Love and I went to her podcast because I was also telling podcast like foot is like based on grieving mothers and whatnot. But mina nyera just to talk about my mother because nami I'm grieving my mother in a way because so it's mainly. Sometimes it doesn't stick on the same topics and so sometimes maybe ngada ngikhuluma ngamauriro ami somewhere else ngikhuluma ngommusic somewhere else ngikhuluma ngelife yami ngithola so mainly melus keep it at you and that's how I treat myself and so I treat myself as a brand and putting myself out there is the main important thing and so akusukuthi manje ngiyakuma podcast amabhaya because there's no like specific reason but then it's to put myself out there. And so so
Angel is someone like who's treats her like as a brand. Like is there a way like Champe Egmelu behaving like as a brand and what is that way according to you?
There is a way you have to behave. It's like I can't be delinquent as I used to be ngithola ngeke manje angikwazi ukuzithola on some certain spaces anymore ngithola I mean ukugibela itaxi sokuyisikele no ngithola like ngithola I can't angikwazi ukuvaya freely in some places ngithola so it's one of those things with manje I experience but then Usita as a brand for me it would be mainly it's about trying to portray like speaking routine walking what I talk angazi if you understand for me uthi I must walk the talk ngithola so that's for me treating myself as a brand uthi I can now ukenza izinto manje I stand and advocate for ukinspire abantu ngithola.
Yeah.
So manje ezinye izinto I can't find myself in spaces whereby abantwana they will look up on me on some izinto ezibad ngithola. Yeah, so it's mainly a thing ukuthi manje I try at my utmost best with manje to build an image with manje it inspires and motivates ngithola.
So mina ngicela ukubuza something mawuthi angifuna ukugcila la kulento ye-taxi le ukuthi kuba isikele ukuthi ugibele i-taxi mo so kulezi ngokulo. So let's say mhlawumbe isikhathi sokuthi uthenga imoto asikafiki. And manje mhlawumbe ezinye izinto i-Uber mhlawumbe yadura or something like that. Into mele uqonde kuyo sesekusini wenza njani?
Angina chance. Feli I have a 9 to 5 ngithola. So yeah, I taxi into should my ekumele ngigibele somewhere or another. Ngithola kusukuthi manje angikwazi ukugibela or ngiya avoid no, but then into ukuthi manje mangivuka ekseni access. Engisawugibela itaxi jo ngithola. Yeah, kuzohlezi kunalo my sister lo ya ngibonile bava ngithola like it's a thing ukuthi manje I'm being recognized ngithola everywhere la ngiva khona.
Konje last time ufika labo usebenza Gravestone.
Angithi?
Last time kade sinalo labo usebenza noma ungasebenzi la.
Bengispana nje mina ngihasa wafithi ngihasa bengispana at that time ngithola.
So what do you feel ukuthi you recognize? I feeling enjani nje leyo?
Two-sided nje I won't lie, it's a good and a bad thing at the same time because kwesinye isikhathi mfethu ngithola nokuhlangana nabantu abangazi ukuthi izinto zisebenza kanjani, especially in the industry ngithola. They expect ukuthi manje let me just say more famous, they expect ukuthi uzoba nezala same time ngithola, and ayisipani kanjalo ngithola. So
bakhala ngayo le nto le.
Exactly ngithola. So expect wonke umuntu expect ukuthi mfethu ngibonile ku TikTok show ukuthi nekari, ngibonile ku TikTok ngisho ukuthi unelala, ngibonile ku TikTok ngisho ukuthi unesijwevu sigrand ngithola. So kuba into ukuthi they have these expectations mfethu like crazy expectations ngithola. Yeah, it's something else, but at the same time kunabantu mfethu aba grand who like wabona jo like to realize ukuthi sometimes I get people who like dog, I'm inspired by you, by seeing you talk about such things. Na agcina seyangichazela inkinga zakhe. Not that I want to hear it, but it moves me just to know ukuthi man I was able to inspire someone ukuthi ayenze something avuke ekseni aqhubeka yo rap aqhubeka yo shaya ispani noma ngaba yini ayenzayo ngithola. It's a good feeling to me that makes me sleep ubuthongo obumnandi ebusuku ngithola. Yeah.
And yes, Gravestone, I don't want to lie.
Sure.
I want to go back like to what you said. You see, even with me, like I never had a problem with the taxi. I won't lie. But now it's like I want to be like back recognized, and it's not nice. Yeah, like people like call you out, like there was this one time, ngibele taxi, and then lama only drop like. Yes, when umntana muhlezi angibukelisa wena. Okay.
Everywhere you go, bazothi usule out to a podcast wena.
Abe like yo and like ngiyawathanda nama videos wakho. Lapho ke bekusatrenda le video le ka Nooks. Uthi nalamantombazana la yona wabiza lapha yo lesinto abazikhulume besenza labantwana niyabakhuza kodwa labantwana laba. I'm like
umntana ukhonse.
Like yo and like she saw me twice already because like ngibele taxi ngahlangana naye, then I met her for the second time and like she doesn't forget me. Like she recognizes my face when she sees me with this is the guy lo abo podcast. So gonna not to say uthlambe usukuna lento ukuthi uyazitshela noma like awusafuna ukuba around people, it's just that like it feels like you don't belong there anymore. But the way people nabo bayibona ngakhona, like you can tell like from their faces it's like but I should this person doesn't belong here.
Yeah,
he shouldn't be here.
Like my God, cluster fast out here.
But at the same time, we can't fake life.
You can't. Yeah, you can't. I don't want to lie.
If it's so good, awukaphume taxi nasikafiki. Asikafiki. Hamba ngeTaxi. So fiki isikhathi sokuthi uhambe ngemoto yakho. Mabakubona eTaxi no dlulisa nje 20 rand 3 driver. Isikhathi asikafiki.
And mangibala jo nokuyibala mfethu ngithwala. Mangifika esipanini ngihlangana ne-comment lapha ku TikTok. Nangu umfana bekashayela i-taxi mate la. Ngithwala. So it's something jo cause abantu mfethu like banendlela yokucabanga like as a collective ngithwala especially eKasi jo. Abona eKasi nokuthi ngivayo Joe but uyabona ukuthi abantu like ikhunta secret ngithola eksi ceda mangiceda kudlula nje uzwe ukuthi la kuringa amasimba dayina ngilo Kristonyana wakhona lo
Zenza ngcono.
nangu lo Kristonyana lo Kristonyana
Yabona
wakhona
uhlala khona. Even naseKaslam man.
Bayakwazela phela abantu laba ya. Mhlawumbe yilabo nalabo bogogo nabomkhulu. Ntwana nami ngikubonile kuphi angithi baqoyi technology labantu labo khane bayifundi technology manje. Ntwana nami ngikubone kuphi mangena ku Facebook. Hey, so famous ne. But our generation vele ayi nyamaza uGravestone nomuntu lona ayi bengifunda na isikele hayi ngitshela nalo
angitshili ngalo yangithola
but moya ngaphandle liyakujabulela umuntu hey
ngithola
ingakho bathi esikhathini esibhaya abantu aba-easy ukuthi bakubulala ilabo abazi
abaseduze nayo
but akekho umuntu ongakwazi ozokubulala
especially uzokufrostana lo
uzokufrostana akakwazeli
akanayo power yokuthi akuzone nje ngithola
lo munye usakwathe into za 20 bani ukuthi wamshanga empama angeke akufatele o wamenza kabi
injalo
into zasekasi vele sometimes azikho right kahle
injalo mara igoli ukuphuma ekasi ngithola yeah igoli ukuphuma ekasi bafitha ngingishashaya because it's a lot mfethu uthi like wabona nje mang off especially mang off like ngicaba ukuthi okay fanele ngiye eSpanini akunzima nje ukuphuma nje uyoshaya around you buy something esikoleni ngithola it's something ukuthi manje ngibana leyo anxiety ukuthi manje uhlangana nabantu futhi manje abazofuna ikhontazi ngithola and mawubheki life yami like before that ngithola it was the thing ukuthi abantu they just like they keep it distance until they kept it distance back then and so on. But now they always wanna keep tabs and so on, and it's something new to me, but I'm slowly but surely learning to embrace it and so on. Yeah. Mara uthanda abantu it's something else in bit but so it's the path we chose.
Bakuthanda ngamagalelo akho.
Yeah. Kushuthi usho ukuthi so uyawubona umehluko. There is a difference between ekuqaleni namanje njengoba so public nje so
wona ukhona umehluko njami kakhulu Joe because now I feel like even on social media ngithola the reception has changed ngithola awaseko akhona feel still negative comments and what not but then awaseko that much because sebaqala ukujwayela ngithola
but at first it was bad
at first
but one thing for sure bro you never cared like yabona wena ngalesikhathi ngibiza you were trending and like there were all negative comments
by then
but but you chose to come to a public platform knowing ukuthi people like they will come for you at some point and so
it's like it's something I've always said ukuthi I keep bad publicity out here ngithola because through that bad publicity manje mfethu like it's the total opposite ngithola like everywhere ngivaya khona it's an embracing thing ngithola wonke umuntu manje where else kuba lo muntu lo I didn't become quote unquote famous mfethu bengeke ngitreat the same way ngithola bekazo khahlelela side in quick fast ngithola but I know it's a different thing it's a different thing
so fame is power ne
mongena mali
but they say money is power but now it also feels like fame is power
because manje khona nomuntu okuthandela ukuthi ufamous
ungathandi
wena but othandela ispace sakho ukuthi hayi uGrave famous ngifuna ukuba eceleni kwakhe mangiseceleni kwakhe nami kuba ngathi ngine power
and kuba ngathi abantu uzobasherela ukuthi nabo famous
na 10%
bangathi contagious ngithela ngayo sneeze ingene
next
then angitshele Gravestone
sure
would you say like if fame in a way does it change like a person as much as like when you became famous did it change you like if fame like
well yabona ke abantu bayahluka njami kunabantu njami ebachinja vele they start switching up on their friends ngithola sonke le story sazicaba but for me as a person mina njami I'm genuine ngithola I don't think ukuthi any level of fame or any level of money can change who I am ngithola but then it can only elevate my lifestyle angeke ngichange I mean it's the core principles engafundile ngisaseyincosi ukuthi mfethu just because now I'm someone in the community akumelanga ngibhekela abanye abantu phansi ngithola
Yeah.
rather than mina ngithola indlela zokuthi manje ngibasiza ngazo ukuthi manje nabo they some way somehow upgrade their lifestyle ngithola and their level of thinking ngithola but mina for mindset yami it wouldn't change me like angeke ngichange it not anytime soon actually never man I don't think fame does change a person. It only changes like abantu aba weak minded because it yona fame is overwhelming ngithola it's a lot because now masobona abantu bak appreciate or bak celebrate in your public spaces, in your malls or everywhere ngithola you start feeling now some sort of angazi wane ne ego ngithola there's these emotions ngithola ongamelanga wayekele like a cloud ekhanda ngithola because if I was someone else I could have just thought with manje I don't need abangani bami nginabo no because I'm famous. I don't need anyone ngithola bengizobabukela phansi but then I'm not that person Joe mina I'm just one genuine soul ngithola and I don't think I'm humble as fuck like serious I'm humble I'm humble gents I'm humble Joe
but sikunalento le ukuthi igcwele le mentality igcwele kithi abantu abamnyama
sure
ukuthi vele sokhuluma kanje because izinto azigenzeki ngendlela esifuna ngazo but
yeah
once zenzeke indlela esifuna ngazo sobajikela abantu
Yeah.
uzosuka la e1682
Yeah.
yo bayindlu la eSandton mhlambe yebo le nto le so leyo nto leyo mhlambe ucabanga ukuthi wena ngakubamba mhlambe let's say after 2 years mhlambe uthola mhlambe something like 2 million
sure mfethu
because ngithi bathi imali yabantu yabakhokhoma
yeah hayo ni imali njami njalo ngiyekushasha imali inaleyo effect but mina
young dark sided
Yeah.
get the money then you get the power
yes
so yeah into ekhona leyo dog like but mina okay fele igoal ukuphuma ekasi ngithola nawe njami angeke uthande mfethu ukuthi bakubone every day yana ngithola they will have like mfethu umuntu upgrade lifestyle yakhe kunina la uzodeleleka ngithola because one thing I know ukuthi familiarity kills respect ngithola once I get too familiar with you angeke ngisarespect the way ngithola
as much as nalo uhlala ngakhona you're not a celebrity they're familiar with your face but
ngithola.
laba ngakwazi khona they're not familiar
kuba lula futhi ukuthi babe neaccess
ngithola mara for the sake of peace of mind yami nokuthi like ngikhululeke around ngithola ngasuke ekasi I wouldn't mind but like it's the ego le ukuthi ngithola ngisuke ekasi like ngiphume nje nge-VW lami feli akekho umuntu ozonaka ukuthi yimi lo ngithola ukuthi manje ngibuye nani ini kanjani akekho ozobalaya ngithola but now ekasi bangibona ngibuya neAlbani lo Sinkosi Brown ngithola
uyatrenda ngapha ubhizi
ngithola
Sinkosi Brown
ju ungazi ukuthi i-brown ne-white kanti
plastic lakho ngabe la siwulisa ukuthi isiwuli kanti sinkwa siyafana
awukwazi nokungena eShoprite
Yeah.
because mawungena eShoprite you
Ufunani
need be shot ufunani lo eShoprite
yabo kuba into enjalo ukuthi hayi funani le Shoprite
uthenga ngekhadi lase-Shoprite
extra savings
ubhizi ufuna ukuthenga nange extra save enjalo
washo babudokotela athi indoda ene extra savings ayithatha sibasina mama leyo ayi athi walethi iqumbini kumba amakhadi wamapoint
ongene clicks necard lama point
ungene Shoprite
ungene eShoprite necard lama point
amapoint
uthela ipetrol necard lama point ubhekisa komuntu wesifazana straight iwalethi ngacatha iqumba imali kanti iqumba nje amakhadi ama point
nelip zelotho
awuwini nokuwini unjalo
ayo ninjalo
Ayinjalo.
bafethu but then yeah man ngiyange mindset yomuntu ukuthi yena uzibona like personality yakhe like ubuqu bakhe ukuthi bunjani ngithola yeah bakhona abantu abachintshwa into ezincane njalo ngithola but then yeah it's all in the mind I always say it's all in the power of the mind
yeah but futhi ezinye izinto yazi like okay Greystone mangathiwa mhlawumbe okay nako uhlale kazi
Sure.
ngithola and like now mawuthi like level up your lifestyle
Sure.
obviously labantu labo bopusha nabo back then boni lifestyle yabo like ayifani dog
Yeah.
you see ayifani so how are you going to work your friendship around that like
okay very okay abantu bayachange ngithola
Yes,
yeah
yes.
people always change especially labantu sibabiza friends and whatnot.
Yes.
So they always change into corner, but then mina I'm one who wouldn't angifuni ukushiya umuntu emuva ngithola yeah jo angeke ngihlupheke nawe out yami
Simasophakeme
masengiphakeme angisagayi nesipanyana ngithola feel ngithola mina kube into ukuthi njami sonke kumele sisukume ngithola
yeah win is our win
yeah kubonakala ukuthi le kuyahamba nostone ngithola ungacoci istory zami ukuthi le bengivana nayo esikeleza sonke usekhoneni le story lezo ngithola mina kubonakala ukuthi le beyivana nami kwamampela say somewhere else ngithola. So I'm one person who wouldn't leave anyone behind. Mina chu ngisho nakumaqala bami chu from eKasi ngithola nyabazamela if like kuneSpani or something eSpani sami imle out ukuthi chu nasi iSpani zwakala uzoletha iCV ngithola akusimi umuntu ukuthi manje ngizoshiya abantu emuva nje yabo ayihlali kahle uconscious yami ngithola yeah so injalo.
And alright, yes. And shout out to Casper one time because Casper and I remember Casper at the time he was coming up.
Yeah,
he was friends with Abo Capo. Still now.
Yeah, still now.
His friend, no Capo. Like they used to make content till today. And it's few people that does that. Good level maybe would have but he's still with those guys. So shout out to him one time.
Yeah, shout out. Because they're genuine energy in play too.
Yeah,
it's rare.
It's rare, ne?
Rare.
Yeah, because like as much as maso ibona ukuthi awusabelong kuma low class, obviously ufuna abangani abaku middle class or high class.
Angithi uzile nalokugelwa izolo lo bekathi uthi yena usanokuthi mekovakashela abangani bakhe so wethu abone ukuthi ayi kusasekude ukuthi bakhule labangani labo because akasayibone lapha ezingeni labo ngoba bayamitha bakhuluma ngokuthi hey mina ngifuna ukumithela omunye umfana so yikathi angisazibone ezingeni labo so decide ukushifta kubo but ibona bazibona ukuthini it gets a better karona
yeah yabona abogela abacabanga njengathi ngithola abogela abacabanga njengathi and thina ezisijida ngithola ayijo kuba into esiyer blind ukuthi ngizophumelela ngishiya umjito wami emuva ngithola ebhayi ugela impethu angatholi ibar no evange ikaro angeke asabane indaba nochumi ngithola yeah injalo thina machita njami angeke shiyane emuva even if feeling ngitholile ngiyaspana grand ngizokhipha njami sobushaya ngithola bonisa ukuthi ngikufuna la mina ngikhona ngithola so yeah abogela namachita asicabanga ngokufana nje ngithola.
Enongitshela Crystal sakhuluma nje ngendaba because we were talking about into your fame and stuff.
Yeah.
There's this video yakho le lapha ku 9 million leyo ishutha lo mjita lo
9 million views
yeah yo bro angitshele like as much as I'm faithful to a video is figure like to that extent I feel like now it's shocking in a way you know
yo ecava mfethu kule video le yana
okay
loud le bengimuza ukuthi ngithole how many views mangathi uyacheck grand level
yeah
loud le bengimuza ukuthi ngithole how many views at that time mangiphendula loud ngithi ngithole 4.5 million views ngithola ngithe mangicela ukuyiposta le video le yadlula le 4.5 million views ngithola like it was something else but then to me it was a thing ukuthi it felt like a manifestation ngithola ukuthi no man yonke into everything that I say, man, like some way, somehow. And so like, man, I'm in my life, I'm understanding, like, even now, yeah, because it keeps revealing, isn't it, as understanding, because, like, I sometimes, in my songs, I'm between no she's into, so I feel like the video, it was a manifestation, whatever, we show you, is what for me it became that I manifestation implied because I have that effect ukuthi umuntu makangibona they get angazi like I get attention angiceli futhi angithandi futhi attention out yami ngithola but then ngalento ukuthi mangidlula like even if like before I was famous ngithola bengithola like regardless ngithola everyone would like ngithola. So that into ngibona ukuthi okay lento le yangispanela so let me just use it to my advantage ukuthi acaba mfethu okay situation yakho le uso there's nothing you can change now use it to your advantage push music wakho yangithola abantu bazokuza ukuthi ufuna ukuthini so yeah the video it manifested 9 million views by just saying 4.5 million. So yeah, it got crazy traction. Yeah, video.
Hawu mawuchaza ukuthini mawuzoyithanda attention kanti ugel mayikune attention wenza kanjani manje hawu
No, like
washintsha izinto manje
no mangithi njami angithandi attention. I mean by angithandi ukubuka abantu ngithwala because it's a thing yokuthi being experience ngisasiyincosi ngithwala. And every time ngithwala, and every time I got attention bewinto ukuthi it's not good attention. Yeah. So that's not the attention I don't like. You're the attention engayithandi kahle kahle. Yeah, but attention you store ngiyamkaya attention.
Uyithanda.
Ngiyamkaya attention.
But there is no way ukuthi ungaduma ungayithola attention.
Yeah. Chances are
more dumile nje attention always.
Yeah.
Awuyiceli futhi. You don't have to ask.
Yaziletha kuyo.
Yaziletha.
There's a good attention and a bad attention.
So when you decide ukuthi align na yini.
Yeah. Because as much as to me now, because okay, speaking of attention, there's comments I get. Where else there are bad comments, there are also good comments. So me now, I choose to manage my own page. As in, there's this negative out there. Even if go live, mango live, you share live, Mara. Nama comments out there. Mbona ukuthi nangumuntu kusendela ama screenshot la, nangumuntu kusendela ama pages ngithwala ama.
Uthola into nice mos.
Hayi ja. Sobuya la. Uyasikhuluma la. Angithwala.
Ma nice.
Shoot manje ezinye izinto shoot manje ukuthi hayi man angifuni ukuzigaya attention ngithwala. Not only that but nokuthola ukuthi abantu banokungithuka la ngithwala. Bangithuke like bangithuke serious.
But I understand social media ngiyindlela like you know social media like umuntu angakuthuka ungamazi.
Yeah.
Angakwazi.
Ungamenzanga lo.
Ungamenzanga next. Akuthuke.
Avela tsayanyanyisa lenja le. Lapha umazi
mfethu akaziwaringa naye.
But if I feel like into social media because if it's social media that's why ukwazi futhi phela singabe one sided. That's why ukwazi ukuthi futhi kube nabantu abakwazi ukukuthanda bengakwazi. Yangithola. To gain followers phela ukuthi abantu bakuthande publicly bangakwazi. You see? That's that. Phela ama followers it's people who love your work.
And there's ezinye inhlambe ezenzeka lapha ku TikTok. Kuya ngokuthi wena uyaziphendula rawusiphenduli. Khona abanye abantu basanokuziphendula kahle umuntu again ifollowing ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi hayi wamphendula kahle lo muntu othi nginje yazi bakunqoma bathi wamphendula lo muntu wamupha indawo yakhe omunye aphendule ngokuthi manje hluthika inhliziyo bavele bathi ayi nawe ke uyalandelela nawe so social media I feel like lapha ya kule platform leya ukuwa kwakho nokuvuka kwakho kulele kuwena wena ungazuyisa wena ungaphinda uzivuse
futhi injalo because I get a lot of rage baiting. I have rage bait, mas.
What's that?
Rage bait, it's when someone tries to make you angry. So I get a lot of
rage bait.
Rage bait.
Okay.
So it's when someone tries to make you angry. I get a lot of that. Manje umuntu ofuna ukubona athi ukuthi injani le mayikwatile.
Injani
mayikuphovoke. Ngihlezi ngibona ijabulile. Like injani mayikwatile ngithwala. So into engithola kakhulu ukuthi man like ngisibona sasekude into so yabo. Now mfethu ezumuntu nje now I'm sure uyazibona la njama ngithwala.
Yeah. Especially yabona ma ujoin ama live kakhulu that's where you get to experience those things.
Nakuthukiwe nani manje la.
Yeah, but later it's not a live. It's just a post. It's something you can just ungachoose nokunga reply. Futhi sometimes nokungayiboni. But more live. Like mhlawumbe umuntu abhale I comment like a provoking. Ubone ukuthi like lo nento like enishaye inhliziyo. You see ukuthi like uthi react kanjani from then unga react ngeanger vele umtshela amasimba ku social media or ube calm nje relax
mara into engirealizile ngalezi is reactor like at least reactor through like mabazkwatisa the react lezi dog as I don't think they like zo yaphambili ngithola because now when uyabayekela abantu like it's like umuntu makagxeka you allowing them to gxeka you ngithola it's like umuntu akutshela ukuthi you're not good enough yangithola
Yeah.
and then you respond, you react to that yangithola
Yeah.
it also shows ukuthi now uyakuhlaba ukuthi vele
I'm not good enough. It's like
Yeah.
he's seeing exactly
Yeah,
what now you think you
manje
are.
mina njami lonto ebona mina ngiyibona why
Yeah,
manje mele
why,
landelela ngithola injalo la yini
True.
it's
sibulawa ukucomment kahle
Ubani I think no unaledi umuntu obekathanda ukureact kakhulu kwezinto.
Yeah, unaledi.
Unaledi aphiwe. Hey, she used to react a lot. But now I think management yakhe seyizamile ukuthi imgroom. You see, ezinye yeah you can react just ukuthi nje you know to keep up with the trend. Yabo. Yeah, but ezinye you don't need to.
angithi khona lama content creator dumile laba njengabo King Zoso abo Samkelo Shiz nani labantu laba bayasho ukuthi hayi khona umuntu wabathuko or something like that wathi ngiyabonga ngecomment yakho sengibuke uthenga in ngemali yecomment yakho yeah
injalo iyakwazi ukuthi kuphakamisa
Enohlezi bamgxeka mfethu King Source liyahlezi babayigxeka from stays
every day baba
yangithola
la every day yaxeka every day likhe lamahala baba
especially naye ungizwe ungizwe
Yeah,
hlezi bamgxeka but into ayikhuluma bayayimamela and bayamsupport but bahlezi yiko ngithi you know like mina ngayibona lento ukuthi he hates ku social media like it's not real.
Yes.
It's not real.
Because even if you type I can tell someone with Nyamprostana but I don't even mean it.
Yeah, bo.
So
Yes.
it's a thing you would
Even the love go, which means it's not real.
Yeah, so it's a thing you would see. Ngatype noma yini ngithandayo mina. Now ngatype yini noma ngithola it's a thing you would see. As long as khulunywa nje just keep it's a trend but then at the same time lawo ma negative comments now lawo positive comments asinceda thina sama content creator ukuthi sikhuphuke ngithola yeah because it's engagement. Facebook pays you for that ukuthi manje
People must engage.
they
Phela
must
abantu
engage.
babalwa lapha kuma comment.
Mina
That boost your profile.
yeah,
It boosts your profile
basho
abantu.
njalo bathi
it does because
lama comment enasenzela imali
yeah
dollar
you're giving something them to talk about ngithola so
And vele Facebook vele you must give people something to talk about. Actually. You can't just post nje abantu bangakhulumi.
mele
they have to talk
They have to talk.
abantu vele bahlezi banayo ukuthi bayikhulume
Yeah,
it's
you
either
must
you
let
do
them talk.
good or you do bad
Fine.
bazobuwa abantu
Angitshele Keystone, do you feel like you're special, bro? Like if like you look at your life and see ukuthi yeah man, if like you look at your journey, you see we're still gonna like get into how you've evolved and the things that you've achieved, you see. But like do you feel special, bro? Like with ngizinto ozibonayo esenzakela like in your life as much as usho ukuthi sometimes now you understand like your life yakho ukuthi what's going on, but if you see blessings on top of blessings, you see.
Sure.
So yeah,
I wouldn't say I feel special, but then I'd say I'm one of a kind. So I'm one of a kind because mfethu ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo ngithola like yonke into mfethu ngithintayo nje bekolide ngithola it shows ukuthi there's this seed God bestow in me ukuthi manje melikhule ngithola ezinye izinto mfethu like ziyenzeka ngendlela engaunderstand nami yabo. But then I could say it's a blessing ngithola the way izinto zizingakhona mara mina now nje siyafana. I don't see myself different from you. I don't feel any special ngithola because kuyafana at the end of the day mfethu ngisazogibela itraining ngiyojulukana nabantu abasebenza 9 to 5 da. So when I say siyafana, I don't see myself as special as someone who's celebrated would see themselves ngithola. But then mina I'm just an ordinary person trying to inspire millions by living an ordinary life. So that's how I see myself. But then if you try any corner, ngiyabona hayi aqhakaza. Aqhakaza nje ngiyakhanya la. Thola njengokusho nje.
But wena ungazibona ngathi mhlambe you are normal but now emehlweni abantu now you are special. Khona abantu manje mhlambe back then bebangafuni ukuzi associate nawe.
Sure.
But now they wanna associate themselves with you.
Here's the thing amehlo abantu yabo. Amehlo abantu awuthami anokudeceive wena. Ngithola because into eyibonayo akusinto engiyibona angithola so wena you can tell me ukuthi le angiyibona iphumelela angithola but mina mfethu into engizenzayo the hard work and the effort I put in yangispanela angithola so manje mina mangizomamela ukuthi lawo mehlo abantu what do they have to say about me obviously izongxeka lento leyo ngeke ingiphushe phambili angithola so what's important than abantu ukuthi bacabangane ukuthi wena ucabangane iqala ngawe angithola so before uthanda abantu mina ukwazi ukuzithanda
qala wena
injalo angithola so it's a daily thing it's something impilo engiphilayo leyo angithola so yeah man like being in the spotlight you are prone to exposure and negativity and positivity angithola so mina even way before I opened a TikTok account I was prone to abantu aba negative to me and positive to me so it's nothing that I wasn't used to but then manje kwelinye izinga should manje angithola it says it's happening at the larger scale because now kunomuntu wase KZN kunomuntu wase Cape Town uzongitshela ukuthi lentwana le intwananyana yakhona ngithola but yeah it's a thing ukuthi ijwayelekile yabo ngikhule nayo vele la ile ngithola njalo
then ongitshela Christone uthe like there are people now like who wants to associate like abafuna ukuba next to you like you
sure.
Like to you like what does that ikuthengisana lento leyo like in your own understanding like why do you feel like people now wants to associate yourself with you right now?
Okay, now it's a thing ukuthi when izinto masizicala ukuyenzeka for wena nje sikhona lezi bedlalela affair ecaleni manje sizodlalela eduze angithola because manje like you said they think ukuthi ifame it's contagious ifana neflu ngizovele ngisinize ingene kuwe and espana kanjalo angithola so we get people now who take ride angithola abafuna manje to put abafuna like they want you to put them on angithola and manje umuntu akhona mfethu bengakuringisa nokuringisa ekasi juba umdlula every day angithola kunganahunta singana next angithola manje sokuyinto ukuthi manje uyakhunta uyenza ngathi yakuthanda because uyabona mfethu ukuthi into zakho ziyenzeka angithola sikafuna manje angithola abanye abantu njami angeke bakuthande for who you are but bazokuthanda for what you have angithola so yeah into ekhona njami and I'm experiencing a lot of that manje angithola and now it's making it hard for me to actually ukubona ukuthi man le yangifrustana ngithola ukuthi because bonke manje bafika ngendlela eyiwana even nabo stoko even nabo stoko ngithola like it's hard now to say ukuthi do you really love me for me or do you really love me for what I am ngithola so it's a thing with manje the more real I get is the faker it becomes like everyone around me is the faker they become I mean I'm getting realer and realer but it's the faker they become it's a thing with manje I can't even pick size now ngisakwazi ukukhetha ukuthi ale maqala ama grand or because now there was a situation where unezinye kabe sifuna ungihlukanisa nabo maqala bami it's like telling me yo mfethu lezo vaya nazo they envy you and now mangicabanga la ngiyi-one ngizigcomela I'm like no mfethu nina nazi next lama la ngivana ngisuka fair blind now jo baba kwesasuke evali siyo rapper awuthami suke emambisa siyo rapper nalezi zami wena uzofika vandag because umbone ku podcast and come think now ukuthi hayi baba lezo vana zakusiyizo vana athi angithola it doesn't make sense shows ukuthi now everyone they start loving you like for ulterior motives angithola basakuthandile for ukuthi uMartinet liCM uwe angithola basekuthanda ukuthi manje no mfethu umntwana une platform yaphusha we want to be on that angithola but it's no longer a thing ukuthi manje we locked in asathanda wena as wena manje sithanda wena as what you have angithola so into ekhona into engibona everyday nje angithola
I think iqiniso lithi lana kunabantu angeke bakuthande mose sebumnyameni but when they see a light seyikhanya empilweni yakho kulapho bazoqala ukuthi bayisondeze kuwe
njalo
because akekho siyabonga mfethu umuntu ozokuthanda ubroke never
angeke
but iba ne 1000 rand uzobona sesisondela kwamacala awusathi noma i-cold drink yasifana nalento le
Sure.
mawungasebenzi khona abantu abakuthatha as umuntu okugcina lesingakhuluma na even
sure.
nasefamilini umuntu okugcina loyana hayi angeke asincede ngalutho but mawusebenza uthola nomuntu bengakukhulumisi manje i-cold drink ngithola nini ngathi manje
Yamkolota.
ngathi uyamkolota ukuthi usengiyasebenza I have to pay
Yamkolota.
you ukuthi sengiyasebenza like I have to pay you for ukuthi ngivuka ngo4 ngiyogibela itrain mhlawumbe ngo5
and then when awungeni ndawo la
Awungeni.
vuka ngiyi-1 and
Hey.
like I feel like some people when the TM they feel entitled ngithola just because mina ngiyacava the TM ngithola ukuthi hayi le awuthiyami yasekasi or ngibona every day they feel entitled bangathi manje wena so bakolota something ngithola and mangothi uyayibheka la ile wena ublomik phansi uzidenga they have nothing to do ukuthi wena ufike la ufike khona manje like akafanga effort whatsoever ayikho into akusize ngayo angithola but then now into engikhinya mina is when now they start feeling entitled ukuthi manje baba ngathi yankolota or something like that angithola
I think it's boring.
as keep out
boring uthi ube emsebenzini qedwe kehle taxini lapha mntana kasibani bani uyiletha nini i-cold drink kagogo
yo ngithi ngathi yazi kunomama gogo la ekhaya
sokumele manje ukhuluma ngakho uzoyiletha lapho ngenhliziyo uyazi ukuthi ayi lo gogo lo ngikhulumela into engekho ke manje hayi
injalo bari ngithola so yeah abantu abafika sebabhano babhano kuningi njalo
so when how do you handle those fake people
yo I be fake as fuck
Yeah.
nawe
You don't
no
like-
baba back bathini giving you a taste of your own medicine uyayicava right there yeah baba back at you njalo ngithola ngizoletha manje ngiyabuya mawulethe 2 minutes angisabuyanga
Yeah.
angithola so yeah jo umgayi taste medicine yakhe jo ngithola mara nawe as out impethu yabona umuntu makafika ngisho yambona ukuthi hayi ayisanga into ezigrand ngithola nakhona i-distance ayihluphi nje mina mangane kushayiswa ngomoya kushayiswa ngomoya ngithola sengiyabona ukuthi manje all of the sudden so ngifonela every time mangifonela wena you never check up on me ngifonela mangifuna something hayi makancane
Nam, I don't like this.
I'm
Yo.
sorry.
Getting calls and just
true.
because of you need something.
you never
Which
check
means-
up on me
Yeah, which means like monga thing next, you'll never check up on me.
senzela nama favor I hate ukenzela i-favor kuba ngathi manje ungenzela i-favor ngokuthi uringisa ifoni yami ushuthi wena mawungafona ngeke iringe
ngithola
iyabhora leyo nto leyo ukuthi kukhona abantu abasikhumbula mabaxakekile but maba right banabantu baba baseva ukuthi ayi mangi right hayi uGravestone umngane wami mangekho right uGravestone ayi ngeke ayi awuthi ngiyeke siyabonga mngane wami noma i2 clipper awuyingani kuGravestone umuntu mawune 2 clip all spender naye mawusonalo 2 clipper I will spend even a 10 cent of a 10 cent you can't spend it on me but mina I have to make efforts ukuthi intwana yami mani ixakekile siyabonga okay ngizokubolekela kusibani sozogaya yena masomela uyibuyise is a long process again khona umuntu osamela angifakela inyuku ayisabuyi ngendlela right into yabantu
Yeah, problem le.
so
A problem.
awuninjalo mfethu and manje I'm at a point in my life ukuthi manje I'm getting that a lot manje mfethu alisekho uthando olugenuine asesitokweni nje alisekho uthando olugenuine nje sebakuthanda manje because of bafuna something or not something abayifuna
Yeah.
So vele like isto sayilehla vele no. Sayilehla still.
into ekhona nje
Bayazidika
yabona
yena.
mangikhipha phela sami no
Yeah.
nokubona isinbox
Yeah. Stock.
bafuna ukwenza uJonas
Ngenza polygamist manje ngithwala and yazi yo angithandi bafita like ngithwala mina mfethu ngenuine awuthaba ngithwala
Yeah.
before this fame thing bengi out ukuthi manje I'm a one woman type of guy ngithwala angithandi lo ngitanasa ike ngagule ngithwala uthola ama drop kanyiwa ra ngithwala so it's a thing ukuthi manje sekubhaya no ngithwala and there was the time ngingaba ne relationship ne media yami ngithwala but then seyidlulile no we were besigrand ngithwala nami file mfithaza amaflopa yenzeka segroovini ngithwala crostana kuba into ukuthi and manje angifuni mfethi imedia yokuthi manje izofuna ukuba exposed to i-platform yami like afuna ngimpost into ezinjalo ngithwala because manje ngifila ngathi i-relationship enjalo jo ihlezi icabaniswa abantu yangithwala because now manje uposter bangathi manje mina angisajule nawe ngithola nawe nama-fans wethu manje
khona la included
yeah ngone ibe private at time into yami nawe ibe into yami nawe
but bazobona ngathi yabafihla
yeah
bona ngathi yamfihla bona ngathi
yangithwala and ayikho njalo ju hayi makacava ukuthi ngiyamncane uzocava ukuthi ayikho njalo angithwala so manje setinge ukuthi akuningi no ngikho
ngoba kunabogela bathi mina umfana ongangipost nje is a red flag
yeah
bakhona
bathanda ukuposta laba
ungifihlelani
yabana ama
test style uke washo la wathi ku right ku wrong futhi ukufihla ugela uyamveza bazokuthathela yena uyamfihla uzwa ngabantu ukuthi hayi loyana mfiri khona out emshayayo so mawumveza bakushayela yena mo so ayibona
bana uyacomplaina ngapho ukuthi wena ungipost
omunye mawumpost hayi baby ngathi too much mawungasamposti awusangithandi so kushuthi uyangifihla like they don't know what they want
but wena Gravestone uyafuna ukuthi akuposte yena
mina ngikrena ecava mfethu abona wena mangacava ukuthi ngihlamba mphugela uzomhanta uthami umthole just for the sake ukuthi ngishaya ugeli ohlomba nale bar le angithwala amajito ekawuthina fucked up la imconda
sibona ngathi achievement
bona ngathi achievement angithwala so and lapho awazi ukuthi wena ubhidliza umuntu besiza kahle lo muntu pusha 6 months oniyafika nje nge1 day nyana yakho nje uyashaya uyahamba mina ngisekho grand angisamfili phela manje mina mthi umshaya kayi1 mina sengigrand uthama
but naku relationship it is honest emosha ama relationship
sure
angeke mnganami ugele sekuthanda kamampela bese mhlambe ezogaya usiyabonga urazogaya mina attention yami ebazi ukuthi khona wena nami ezumjitha ngirong ngiyazi ukuthi in the picture kunawe so why mina ngizassociate nogele ngibe ngazi ukuthi into ka Gravestone lento so ezinye izinto I think thina sibulalana thina sodwa
anakhona yazi isijita siyakhondemana ngishashaya siyakhondemana thina sama out so kunalento leyo ukuthi umuntu uthathe emntwini ngithwala
so ikhona it's valid so
ireal awuthami and manje sizothipana file umuntu uthathe emntwini ithi bathathele wena akusekho mnandi
ungi break up estina ku experience break up estina ushaye outing estina mhlambi yathi uyicava mhlambi ushaye ngestina ugeri agcina abana ama feelings am more abe kuwena akhohlwe umjitsi then when time goes on ugela phinda bonye umuntu more interesting kudlula wena
ashiya wena
uyicava ibhlungu kanjani lonto leyo I was once there mina baba baba I was once there mina baba yabona I relationship ephele ngenyembezi mfethu angeke last end angeke iphele kamnandi mnganami because wena mawumjida uzohlezi ufuna ukuprove a point ukuthi ugele or uzohlezi wenza effort ukuthi ugele akabuyeli da wena yonke into oyenzayo ufuna ukuzwisa umjitha loya ubhlungu ukuthi naku sengiyamenzela wena bongambhayeli mhlawumbe Steve Madden sengiyambhayela mina no mina wena bongambhayeli skipper senike bongashare ama matching outfits bongaye kuma dates sengiyami la izophela khona
so we competition man
but la izophela khona
phela kabuhlungu
mfana ungafika ngathi umhlaba uncane uyaphela kusasa umhlaba uzo round umhlaba isiphathi ephezulu ama
aze phansi
ebahlungu relationship babo ephela ngale handlela leyana
ayonisi but now so expecting because umthathe emntwini obvious bazokuthathela nawe njalo
angiphela uthanda malisaqala liyashisa mnganami nalento le ukuthi hayi umshado lento hayi mina ayisenento amantombazana futhi ayathanda ukusiconvince that is my man khona bekahleli la that is my man that is my man guys no man ngathi that is my man
bazomgila
bize nenza umathathu after 6 months no cover up la mathathu la don't guarantee umfana or intombazane baba do not nabantu abashadile mnganami bayaganga mfethu yazi that time ngibeli Uber mina mnganami ngagibeli Uber ngihamba nelinye sister so libe drive Uber lela sister lithi yazi ngibona enye into namhlanje ngitsho ukuthi abafana yebona izinja
Sure.
hayi nabo mama bashadile izinja
Iyafana.
ngithi yini sister athi lo mama lo urequestile ngimthathe egate la kwakhe kanti akayi kule destination le athi a request ukuthi yakuyo uya kwenye destination uthe masifika kwenye indawo egarage wathi hayi mina ngishiye la egarage but wena qhubeka ngemoto
Ushaya isilolo uyengara.
uye lapho cause ngirequestile indoda yami indoda yami ilibona ukuthi
Uyabona
imoto
vele.
ifikile lapho athi uvele wamupha ngisho nemali extra and bekayohlangana nenye awushuthi out yabona sebayididile ukuthi imedia yami uthi kumngani wakhe imoto ifikile
Yeah,
but
yeah.
imoto ifikile ya end trip lapho yaqhubeka
Yaqhubeka.
ehlile umuntu wehle egarage nenye
Yeah,
out
yes.
bayokuchawela
Oh.
so amantombazane they can say ukuthi abafana bayizinja but what about them
Nabo nje yami kuyafana nje.
but what about them
Ngithola iyafana nje.
Yeah.
Kuyafana.
Hey, what about them guys
Angithi recently bekutrend lo mfana lo. Limpopo boy.
Ish.
Hey.
Aqaba bafithi ezinye izinto ne. I feel like mina lithi uyacava ukuthi ufamous angisho. Why uzosendela ugirl? Or why uzocova ivideo yakho naked? Why jo ayenzi sense kimi lighting ngithola. Like even if okay feel even if njami ngiyacova yami nogirl wami but then why ngiyithatha?
Why?
Ngithola mina I feel like this is my own opinion. Hey, don't kill me for my own opinion. But then I feel like that ain't intentional all time.
This is not my own opinion.
Yeah.
I feel like it's so stupid ukuthi wenza ama sex tape mawuheva nogelo wakho.
Yeah.
Because uyayazi into yenzayo. Ufuna ukuyenzani? Ufuna ukuyibukela futhi masuyi1. Uyibukela for yini? Uyosikuthi yo, ngimshayile ke ngalesiyana mele
No, angeke uyibukeliwa.
You
That's
always
the thing. It's
No.
ngicovela
Yabona
feeling
with
ngibonisa
gents,
umacala ami ukuthi
with-
boy.
with gents inkinga yethu we always trying to prove ama point. That's
Yes.
stupid.
Exactly.
Yabona masingastopha lento leyo kuprove ama point soba grand because ungathola ukuthi nayo Limpopo boy uyishuthe le nto leya asho ukuthi ngifuna ukutshengisa umacala ukuthi bheka
Injalo.
ngishaya sipho
Ngithola.
kanti bazokubhayizisa and basukela usikomoto bathi usikomoto post
Yeah,
video
fair.
bathi bambole ku phone wadlala Candy Crush mayiqeda lapho wangena
Basuwela usikomoto abantu. But that's
But uSkomotena aza post even a1 video engqondo.
yes
Aye.
so
How come
that guy
as
uyaphila bona abantu bethatha ngathi
bamsukela bamsukela usikomoto bamsukela babe kadlala igame efonini wabamba nale video wapost ivideo
but that thing bafethu is a red flag baficabanga so serious mfethu
No.
mayovela ine public mfethu
Acaba nje mina that's why I saying intentional dating nje. It's either ngicovile ngifuna ukugcwalisela someone. Kanti izobuya
yabona
imjampe.
singamajeda asike nento yokuprove ama point angeke isibeke ndawo lento leyo lento yokuthi ngifuna ukuprove a point phela iyo lento yenza ukuthi futhi ugcine mawumjida unabogela abayinqwaba because you always trying to prove ama point ko bonke labo ke and awubathandi
nobathandi
Yangithola. So i problem yiyo leyo you see
Manje ukhawathi abantwana babantu because ugirl akakwazi nje ukuthi akuvulele angakufrustani.
Angeke.
Right.
khohlwa
And
ugel
mayicabanga.
yabona iqinisile yabona abogel mfethu akekho ugela uthi yami ozokuvulela ngakuncanywa ngeke khohlwa
ngeke vele
ngeke
and machita it's so very not important I want to use this word it's so very imperative
eish
Competitive.
just imperative just do like this just take that cake
Yeah, ungasikhuluma isingisi.
eat that cake bra and just wash your mouth bra
Isingisi sixabanisa abantu izolo. Isingisi sixabanisa abantu la kule podcast.
indaba ye-English
hey but abanye they are not academically yeah kakusayakithi
but moving forward Greystone
Sure.
yeah I'll tell me ushilo ukuthi no after our first podcast like a lot of things changed bro
Yeah.
take us through the journey like ukuthi how was the reception like from your end after the podcast and then like ama opportunities like aze kanjani and stuff you know because like I've been seeing you, bro. I've been seeing you. Yeah, I've been seeing you out there with
Trending.
Spark and Faye too.
Yeah.
And like I'm proud, man, you know.
Yeah,
Like I'm
yeah.
proud. And the other good thing is this guy Abambizo Mankind.
Yeah,
That
Ntwana
guy-
yami, yeah,
that
ngikele
guy-
naye Ntwana yami.
That guy, he came to the podcast because of you.
Yeah, man.
You know.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Yeah. And that guy, same time Nai, I'm not sure if you saw Nai, his videos were trending.
Yeah.
After some time got
Yeah,
he
yeah,
came to
yeah,
the podcast.
yeah,
you see.
Yeah, what do you mean?
What do you mean? They know it.
Yini bra?
What do
Mina
you
ngeke ngibe
mean?
nomntwana. What do you mean? Ubani uthi umuntu odisable akamenzi umntwana. What do you mean? Hayi bafethe
Shout out to Mankind one time.
Shout out to Mankind.
Yeah,
So
no,
yeah,
no,
man,
no,
like
yeah.
just take us through like your journey, like after the podcast and all of that. You see, just lay it down, Jane phases, how all the way to the pinnacle. Cause Vele now that's where you at.
Okay, a lot happened, yeah, man. Ngazi ngicala but then ngizocala anyway. So after vele ngicela ukushaya ama podcast same day ngithola akube into ukuthi yo man, i-platform yakhe igrowth yazi ngithathe kancane at that time. I-platform yami ithi igrowth ijo. So ngashare feed ama video la besacovile ku TikTok. Ngashare ama video podcast ngashare la ku TikTok. Yo man, I started going viral. I got views and so on. And then from there I started getting calls and so like, yo Joe, so I was doing podcast stage. I got a lot of podcasts because of you actually. And so that's when I started venturing
Attending.
out and so on. And now I was also in a state of mind which I feel like it's a good thing with Manji, me talking about it and so on, talking about the condition and so on and whatnot. So I started going out and say, you know what, let me talk about it. Let me have a conversation about the phone we have and so on. Maybe I could inspire someone or say who might find themselves in a similar situation as mine and so on. So the main goal was to push like inspire abantu and so on. And then I went to more podcasts and then I also went to SAPC and so on to tell my story and so on.
How did you get that opportunity, bro?
Okay, the opportunity was
SAPC one and
SAPC one,
Mzansi,
sure.
for sure.
yeah,
I
and
was-
then then too. I'm not trying to like
yeah.
actually now be bigger than you, but now I've been there.
Yeah, I know.
I know SAPC. I know
yeah,
SAPC.
yeah.
See you.
Guys, now I've been there with SAPC.
Yes, you are there.
Yeah, I've been there. Yeah, I've been there. They came here with a lot of cameras and they scared me. My camera baphatha yo. They came with a lot of cameras.
Bekathukile vele. Bamtshela bathi yehlisa umo.
Usihlwa engibhekile.
Hour long ke la.
Usihlwa engibhekile mfethu. Yo. Ayi, kwakunzima la, I won't lie. That was the first podcast mfethu engafila ngathi yo, maybe I can't do this. Oh, like yeah, you Aliana mfana, I don't wanna lie, bro. Like that was the F up. Like yo,
Sure.
it was a F up. But ngafunda ngithola. Yeah, ngayibona nami ngasho ukuthi you know these things happens, man, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, like ngishutha wire. So I can always like bounce back, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, and eventually I'll get better with time. So I was like, you know what? Fuck what people will say, and then I continued. So and here I am today. So take us through, man. Bakuthola kanjani if it's SAPC one?
Okay, Fede, I'm reachable, Joe. I'll think now.
Yeah.
I'm reachable. So it was through Justify at the time. So Justify, we got a glula. If you don't posted it, we got a glula like 5 m. I'm being manifested 4.5 m. We got to glula 5 m. We still under fairly 9 you know. I'm sorry. And my sister who called me up and was like, yo Joe, Kamalake Uzeni, she works for a casting agency. I say I Justify and so she's like, yo Joe, I started the story circle and I think we could feature you on your story and then Angazi wanna kanjani. And so I'm reply feed, I was like, I know cool as in asibone senjani so ngenza njani ngizozwakala ngithiwa akangitshelanga ukuthi ejo uzoba ku SAPC ngithiwa mina I'm thinking now a podcast TV ngithiwa lifika ilanga leli besilidate malifika I'm like okay so kuzenzakalani kuzofika bani ini bavela What's in the car? The H1.
H1.
Sure.
H1.
A black.
I white feed.
Okay.
Vela ngi-H1 lezi yo mfethu siphethe ama-camera bhaya kanjani. I'm like it's like hamba, and they were like no mfethu SABC uzoba ku at that time bekuyi-my first ngicale nge-my first before ngiya ku-Ingomusa ngithola but then Eric Cala Ingomusa before my first. So I'm airing dates were a bit ngithola. So I feel I went to their studio. It was a thing, man. They made me feel at home and so I was like, no, just tell us your story and tell us nje ba uwe chu and so. But then into mangazi le dog is that they expected me angazi like okay when I'm jail nje mawubona story sami. Do you think I ever tried to commit suicide? Like if you see me from a distance, and do you think I tried?
Yeah, that's a tricky one, man. Cause like, well, to be honest with you,
Yeah.
for me, nah, man. You can walk, you can talk, you can see. So I don't think like
Yeah, no,
you'd
man.
ever try
Yeah.
like
We are
to
the same.
commit suicide. Like unless if like maybe you can't do stuff like yabo when
Yeah.
yourself. That's when you'd feel so useless.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
and
yeah.
all. Yeah,
So-
but you can just lock yourself in the room maybe for some time. Ufile ube in that.
Pinning boy.
It's, and then come back. So
So-
I don't think you'd ever like try and commit
It was
suicide.
the thing with manje. They thought ukuthi maybe ngithi banama life stories ngithola ukuthi manje where people tried to commit suicide nje. Manje said story yara. Ngithola, but then with them they came to me. I was like, no, Joe, just tell us your story. And I told them the way it is. And at some point the director was like, hey man, is it my source or did you say because I'm committing suicide? I'm like, no, I haven't tried suicide. Like never, it never crossed my mind. And they're like, okay, Tina Bespan want to commit suicide. That's why we actually came. And so they thought which maybe I tried to commit, like I was that depressed and so on. But then to only find out which I just changed the whole concept your show and so like they were expecting with manje but bangibekela nama tissue kanje washo ukuthi love uzokhala ngithola bangibekela nama tissue
la mhlambe bekubekela ama-tissue bathi uzobhosha.
Abaje phela abantu angithi bafuna ukuyibulala mase bayikhuluma
Ngithola, yeah.
ukuthi yazi
Ngithola.
ngiphuza amapilisi nga-overdose so
Yeah.
abangibekela nama tissue la bathi love uzokhala ila outle masiceda kushuthi ithi hayi man dog yazi ngithamela le story sakho se-suicide ngitshela ngitano awuthi angikho la mina ngithama ngokomcondo nje angifair blind ayida angaze ngafika ngithola. So yeah kube into yokuthi ngabatshela istory sami mara bafethi like shooting is so exhausting. Shoot those shows too because we was filming 8 days and then we took the whole day to shoot, like the whole day. It was so exhausting, dog. Like but then it is a experience I actually enjoyed. Like it was a wonderful experience, you know, like being on national TV. And so like it also like got me a lot of attention and so like yeah. And then when I went to the second one, my first and so like you ingama flop nyana but binga and so cause
Bona bakuthole kanjani?
bona my
Same lady.
No. There was mfethu the Lord works in mysterious ways. So ungakutshela ukuthi bengigeleza eJozi, right? Yabo la mankind bayageleza khona, bengigeleza la. So bengicommuter nge-taxi at that time. So lo cherry lo shothi kudala ngicava chu. She's like, "No mfethu, I'm a producer yi." Ngithola ku my first ngithola. She's one of the producers there. It's like, "No, I'm a producer." Bengihlezi ngihlangana nawe etaxini eya eWestcliff. Mama uyescared. I'm like, "Hi, kanjani man?" No, Junior, ngicava ukuthi bugeleza vibe. Ngihlezi ngihlangana uMichelle igama lomntana lo. Ngihlezi ngidibana nawe nje. Ngidm vele ku TikTok. Hayi dog, ngihlezi ngidibana nawe. Cala senze into on nje. So ku my first SABC wayibeka nje yacaca ngithola. And I was like, you know what? Mina ngi-open nje. I was like, you know what? I don't mind having the conversation ngithola. Kwaba into yokuthi we also did modeling, something I wanted to do like for isikhathi esibhaya ngithola. So there's a shy modeling there. There's also a brand besi promoter yaga Elliot Sithola ngicava if name ngicava, but it's one of the upcoming brands yaspan umchita figure you ngithola. So yeah kube into enjalo nje, yeah, just that Mara, it's a thrilling experience, but to like being out there and so I just hope in the future I get. I mean, if it's a actor, I feel like so bad. And
So
Joe.
which means like Pella, when it's like actually one of your dreams have actually like came true because you appear on a national TV, bro, and you want to be an actor.
Yeah.
Even if though obviously it wasn't like
Yeah.
like a permanent song,
Thing,
but at least you were there, you know. Yeah.
It does
Yeah,
mean a lot
profile.
because you know, I mean, like
Builds your
MZ, like
profile.
yeah, MZ Joe, like they were so proud of me. Ngathi I already made it. Wow. Yeah, like MZ, like seeing them so happy, man. Yo, I really angijabulisa nami ngabona ukuthi acaba yini ngenza something in life yami ngithwala.
Yeah.
It's something else, true, ngithwala. But then yeah, someday I really do wish to become an actor. I feel like I have what it takes. And good man, hey, I'm a gatekeeper, man. Hey,
Nakhona now, Anzi.
And then do you know what is so
Yeah.
inspirational,
sure.
bro? Ukuthi family ube umuntu oqala to ever do that thing, bro.
Yeah.
The one owakavela TV, but
Sure.
you were the
Yeah.
first one.
Yeah.
You paved
Yeah.
the way. Ukuthi this is possible because
Yeah.
thina siphuma emafamilini whereby ababelieve ukuthi
Yeah.
we could actually be there. It's like nabantu ababekiwe kumele babe laphaya who looks good for the screen kumele babe laphaya.
Yes.
There are certain people who are not supposed to be there.
Sure,
You
sure.
see, so if thina we make that possible, no. Asekho kulezo ikhathi lezo. Nathi we can make our
can
own
make-
ways ukuthi sifike laphaya.
kuba easy mangabe futhi nefamily yakhe ikusupport.
Yeah, but
Because
he's blind.
if ingakusupport family yakho, nothing will happen to you, bro.
Uyibonile kankosi yazo mevela lapha kumzansi Magic
Awubhena unkosiyazi ukumzansi
Ngathi
bani?
beku happy new year or something ifamily yakhe imjabulela.
Jabulele.
Hey, bebukela iTV awuyibonanga?
And I wonder ukuthi bamthole kanjani and maybe it's
Yeah.
through the podcast because the video yabo it's over 100k
Yeah.
and it was trending kwayona.
Bethu yabo platform yakho mapha ngisakutshela namanje yasipana nje yami and it's gonna put a lot of people on because Joe, yabona manje ngiyibheka right now. If a video, one of my videos gets 1 million views, manje uyicabange nawe kahle as a person that posted it ukuthi ibona ubani ngithwala 1 million people is a lot of people.
It's a lot.
Ngithwala it's a lot of people ngithwala abantu ababhaya aba-influential abane-power ngithwala umuntu ku-SABC or anywhere else uyayibona la ile ngithwala but sometimes isithing ukuthi mpethu uyazama ngithwala
yeah.
but then bakhona abantu mpethu abayibonayo la ile ngithwala wena uboni mara bona bayabona
Bayabona,
ngithwala yeah sure ine-power blind platform yakho sure I won't lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tough for that.
The home of content creators.
Why?
Siyabhaka la ekhaya. Siyabhaka.
Ube khona usihle ngabuthi senza ama-celeb, senza
Yeah,
ama-celeb.
siyawakhanda ama-celeb.
Yakhanda.
La khanda ama-celeb la mfethu. They like it or not, we are breaking the celebs.
Libanabaka, smiley. Like it or not.
Ishoshela
Yeah, so yeah, injalo wafithu. It's another experience, but then yeah, SABC it's something else, man. It's national TV.
Yeah, that's so big, Kristen.
Yeah,
And congratulations, bro. Like yo, man, that was maybe as much as we should not say Kaya, like you were so happy. It's like you have made it already.
Yeah,
You
it
see.
felt like that, you know. I have a little feeling, Joe. Like, are you into pleasing? Okay, feel I haven't made it. La meaning from fear corner yet. But mpethu wabona umawulido wakho Joe. Akhala Joe, like those tears of joy.
yo.
Not ukuthi ukhalela ukuthi manje uyahlupha or something. Okay, feel wakhala ukuthi ngiyahlupha. But then not ukuthi ukhalela ukuthi ngiyahlupha, but then ukhalela ukuthi yo man, my son is up there. Ngithola. Yeah, into ukuthi mpethu it's very touching. Ngithola. Now you feel like everything I did was for a reason. Yonke into engiyenzile. You feel complete ngithola. So I keep feeling it out here, and I still want to make her proud, true. As much as kunezinto ezenzakalayo, but then I strive to make her proud. That alone just makes me happy.
And I think imithandazo yabazali yasebenzela
Ngithola.
somewhere somehow. Because those people, they pray in their private rooms,
Yeah.
singekho thina la
leli malundi le
leli malundo
Yeah.
semjayivweni
You know, sedolweni,
lapho
yeah.
uzala ukucelela
but abazali they go through a lot. To think about that ukuthi ungahamba wena uyozi-enjoy and don't think about praying. But you left someone in the house who's busy praying ukuthi
right.
I just hope ukuthi umntana mu safe la khona and ubuya endlini safely.
Sure.
Like that's
and njengoba noma
That's
umphathisile umzali but she will still pray uNkulunkulu ngicela ubusise umntana wami ngicela athole lokho ngicela ayenzeni that is why if we become successful bazokhala
yabona insizwa masithanda the way nje basithanda the way nje ayikabi mara ngiyacela nje basithanda the way awuthami abazali bethu basithanda ngakhona
those
unconditional
they want to
say will be a better country. Yabona if ladies bangasithanda njengabo mamethu SA can be a better
they want
country.
to do that thing labo bantu labo
because no masithebheka vele kwivari as ama out thina as men we do look for a mother in our love ngitsho umuntu ozokuthanda as much not as much as but at least as much as moli lakho beyakuthanda ngakhona ngitsho but then I so 21st century
you know what is the sad part here mnganami
Sure.
ukuthi you can be in a relationship nomntwana obabakhe bekangekho present empilweni yakhe
sure
and then lo mntwana loyo she will expect you as a boyfriend ukuthi uact as ubabakhe
sure yeah
bakhona abogela zasho ukuthi ugeli yazi ukuthi the way yangiphatha ngakhona lo mfana lona
Yeah.
like he's my dad.
yes
You know,
mina
mina don't think ukuthi khona umjito ongaphatha
Never.
ichiri mfethu to that extent ukuthi ugela zathi I feel like her dad.
Mina-
No,
yabona mina
ubaba
khona-
babakhe
khona omunye kwakwi-birthday yami lathi athi now I feel like you're my dad ngasho ukuthi we nakho yakaze ngahleka mina futhi yazi ke bagena ama-message abheda ngihleka ngiyi-one ngithi welele khuluma into engekho ngivele ngithi ayi ngiyabonga sisi sengubabakho mina you feel like I'm your dad yinto ngispecial engiyenzayo kuwe mina
but maybe it's it would have been better if it's just like a feeling because
Sure.
my feelings is not something she can control. Yabo indlela afila ngayo.
Yeah.
You see, but hayi ukuthi umenzela izinto abe like the way ungenzela ngakhona
Sure,
like
sure.
you're doing like my dad now I cover this and that and that and
Yeah,
that and that and that
yeah,
and that. Me I'm there to support you as my boyfriend and I'll always be there to
Sing
support you as my
ithamela
boyfriend.
that is why amantombazane ba inhliziyo zabantu baphukile wonke amantu ngisho nentombazane ezalwayo namhlanje iphukile already seyila emhlabeni iphukile enhlizweni abantu abaphukile labantu abaphukile abekho abantu abengekho right njengama girls bafethu baphukile labantu abayazi
baphulo ba
no
obababo mfethu the minute umntwana angena ku relationship akangenanga ukuthi uzothanda uze ngokuzodestroya wena.
hey yeah
That is why ubona ngathi kunama rape cases amaningi umjida baphukile labantwana laba yamfethu. Yabona kubhlungu ukuthi abogele abala eSouth Africa bonke baphukile.
Hey baba ungayifaka intombi yami
Even your ntombi iphukile mnganami.
ayiphukanga baba
Iphukile mnganami. Ngiyakutshela mnganami iphukile.
no ecava mina what I always tell a girlfriend yami Joe ukuthi don't expect me ukuthi ngikwenzele like izinto wena ungakwazi ukuzenzela zona. I mean how do you expect me ukuthi ngiyokuthengela iMcDonald's if wena asibhayele iMcDonald's?
Yo.
Ngithola. Yeah, my expectations wakho kumele nje uwabeke grand.
Yeah.
Ngithola. Don't put your expectations le phezulu Joe makancane. I'm not your dad. Ngithola what you said. I'm not your dad, bitch.
Yeah.
So it's a thing ukuthi bona
Asenza ama social work.
exactly Joe. Ngithola. So yeah, injalo Joe, injalo.
But I think girls they are selfish again. You know why?
Why?
You know why I'm saying that?
Sure.
Angeke mnganami uthandane nomntwana ona let's say I am 21 years.
Yeah.
Ngisase okay, I'm 21 years I'm working maybe but at the same time nami ngisase under abazali
21.
bami. Ane?
Not 21.
No, I'm just making an example. I'm 23 as me.
Wafit.
Okay, let's ngiyenze example ngami. Angeke ngithi ngina 23 years I'm working but at the same time ngisa under abazali bami.
Sure.
I'm dating intombazane ena 18 years. Isase under abazali bakhe.
Sure.
Both of the ama parents akhe are there for yena.
Sure.
Yazwa ngithi selfish. Angeke bavume mnganami ukuthi ikhanda lomntwana lingcole libe njani bangamuphi imali ekhanda. They come to you ngicela 400 yokuchina. where else bayitholile nasendlini
yabona abogel nje mina ugel mangane imali akafuni uspanish imali yakhe angazi if you aware of that
I'm aware of that
but then if unemali umntana if you need to clip ufuna ukuthi ukhalele McDonald's for example uzocela wena cha to clip la kalifake epokotweni abantu basilema uthana ngithola
that is why bathi yazi we girls kuna nama sound adumile sound girls we have money it's just that we want to spend our money to the boys that we love but we as girls we have money where do you take that money where else you are not working where else
bayithatha kuma boyfriend
matayisana amapeanuts
yadayisa adayisa content umfana
Yeah, but gents, we are about to wrap it up now. Thank you very much, Gravestone, for the visit. Yeah, but just before we wrap it up, Ane, I feel like you inspired a lot of people. Like I'm going to Uvele, kuma podcast, to trend, and Uvele still go SAPC. You see, so I feel like there are a lot of people that got inspired. You see, so but with that being said, I think it would be best if like we were to leave just an advice like to people like we have like big dreams, you see, with their lives. You see, like khona munye namanje mhlambe ufuna ukuzibona naye ku TV but akazi ukuthi azithole kanjani. As much as now I don't think ukuthi wakwaba like but nami vele mina angiyazi mina TV vele ngizongena.
Sure.
Yabo?
Yeah,
like it's something which took you by shock. Oh damn, I found myself like some good SAPC, you know. But you know what? This is a blessing, and like it's really.
But
really
I feel
makes you.
ukuthi ku-SAPC bamsurprisile because umzulu utheni bekangazi ukuthi uyoba lapha.
Yeah, bengicaba.
I think maybe it was a surprise. Yeah,
was the second time bengicaba but ukucala it didn't feel like I feel like kuba bangitshela at that time bengizoba like over emotional about it. I'm like national TV ngofika ngithini la ngithwala ngithwala bezoba overwhelming but then man what I'd say mina ukuthi cho iba umbitso I keep saying that iba uja ngithwala so in everything you want to achieve so be a doctor, be a lawyer, be an architect baba talent will only meet you halfway. Hard work njami yisha ispan. Ngithola. Hard work yisha ispan njami when avuka uyophanda. Yabo nami no. I rap, I speak my mind for a living and I also wanna do acting. It's part things afuna ukuzishuna. Ngithola and there's this potential I wanna reach. Ngibona ukuthi khona le potential iphaya. Ngithola but then ayikho into zongisiza njami but then ukufaka isikhathi sami la and putting in the hard work ngithola so mostly for me according to into engizibonile mina Joe as much as you feel a bit so angakho ama talented rapper Joe engakhi ama talented abantu abane talent abantu abane disc abakwazi ukudlala idisc ekasi abane talent but then abafaki leyo hard work ngithola it's a thing ukuthi athi wena mafuna ukuzibona la put in as much effort ngithola like exceed like ufake effort ebhajo ukuthi uzibone la ngithola so mina I've always done ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuphanda Joe ngithola everything ngenzayo angifuni ukhola ngendlela eyi1 ngithola nabo bokhespa nje abashayela ipiano kushayela hip hop abuya kushayela into ngithola two step ngithola naye yabona ukuthi Joe umchita mpethu is on Joe is making money Joe ngithola into yokuthi athi wena nje ezi umuntu Joe phanda uthi phanda ngithola mina uphanda Joe as I am today ngispane 925 ngiyarapper I do content esibhayo Joe ngithola esibhayo into engishaya promote soon ngizoba actor ngithola and bengiringana nenye out yami angicavi nemcava ndakhona
Anaconda maybe by face because there are a lot of these guys now bro and I've met
Ibiza ngostudula marano out Pemikasa ngithola like he was one of the Kwaito legends. He's one of the Kwaito legends kahle ngithola from Abu Anaconda ngithola and out there he wants to put me on acting ngithola and stuff so he's one of the persons with manje I've always looked up to ngisakhula ngintwana bengifrustani Kwaito mina from like dala before I was into hip hop ngithola bengifrustani Kwaito bafithu and yeah always always keep doing what you do best, and I'll do what I do best. Yeah, shoot that, so yeah.
Okay, with that being said, let's just wrap it up. Yeah, I'd just like you to share your socials on that camera.
Alright.
Sure. Yeah, then we're gonna wrap it up.
Pipi camera.
The
Yeah.
one in the middle.
Aware. It's like, as in, like, share and subscribe. Yeah, but otherwise, Dr. Gravestone, all social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Dr. Gravestone. Yes, salute. Makobhlungu ulayekile.
And we are out.
Poco.